Have you met a beautiful smartphone today? Infinix got something for you. So in August 2024, Infinix unveiled the Infinix Zero 45G, a smartphone that is set to set a difference between the flagship and the mid-range class. Sometimes, the confusion is being said between the mid-range and the flagship class because of the Infinix Zero 45G, its specs, its functions, and some other things that it performs. It sports a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus and a massive 144Hz refresh rate and a screen that lights up to 1300 nits, which is pretty decent for outdoor usage, and it's not that bad for its range. And it's in terms of its durability that is slackened with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. With an IP54 dust and water resistant rating, which is pretty less than expected. It has JBL tuned stereo speakers, which is loud enough for outdoor usage, and it runs on the Android 14 plus the XOS 14.5, which is pretty impressive for its range, with up to 2 years of major updates. The
Talking
device is
about its
powered by the
battery, it
MediaTek
features a
Dimensity
large
8200
5000
super
mAh
processor
battery
that
that
handles
ensures a
high
full day
graphics,
of
gaming,
medium
and
usage, and
multitasking
it's
seamlessly. Charging is also fast at 45 watts wired and 20 watts wireless, with a reverse charging feature that allows for charging other devices. Now to its cameras. It features a 108 megapixels main camera with OIS stabilization and a 50 megapixels ultra wide with a 2 megapixels depth sensor, and also the front comes with a 50 megapixels that can take really good pictures day or night. Finally, in terms of its memory and storage, it comes with a 12 gigs of RAM that is not expandable, a 256 gigs and a 512 gig storage variant, selling for about 400 to 500k. What do you think about it? Subscribe.